Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to change hair quality in Indiana Jones The Great Circle. So as you see I'm already in the main menu, I'm gonna head over to the Options tab, head over to the Video tab, scroll down till you see this setting we're looking for, hair quality, to change that setting. As you see, mine is default set to high, but all you need to do to make it lower, just left click to make it medium, or second time left click to make it low. Then hit escape, and that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.